Hey, Danny at Dynodaze. This is the start of some videos that I'm going to do for living with a Mitsubishi Colt CZT as a daily. We're going to have questions and answers in the comments below. If you've got any questions about CZTs or rally arts or anything 4G15T based, then you can give us a shout. And we're going to start with obviously how much you can buy a CZT for, which is about 1,500 quid if you're looking for one that's going to be usable as a daily, that's not going to need an awful lot of work. And I've got a daily, a CZT amongst other cars, but you can obviously follow these videos and ask questions as we go. I love my daily, and I've been driving Mitsubishi Colts since 2006 when I had one brand new from the Mitsubishi dealer. And yeah, I've probably done, I'm going to go out there and say that I've probably done more miles in a Mitsubishi Colt CZT than anyone on the planet. Who knows? But yeah, so that's the point, and the point of these videos is going to be that we're going to go through as much information as we can about them. I don't know everything, why would I? I'm going to try and go through everything that we know, but mainly just so that you can see what it's like to drive a Colt CZT as a daily, see the running costs, see what power you can make, and generally make a decision whether you want one